That's the bungalow. I am here for a week, but I have something to tell you. How to enable the shop. As you know, my car has a shop that doesn't work. There's currently one way to fix it, and that's by contacting V-Support. How you do that is go to your VConnect ID app, go to your right profile, there's something called contact, press on V-Support contact email address, and then type that you have problems with connecting to the car, the application has red triangles, your user account is not synchronizing, and of course, as last, that your shop is empty. You send that email to them. You get an email from V-Support asking to check a few things and send them back to them with the pictures, screenshots of your application, etc. And these are, is this green? Yes. Do you have enough signal strength? Yes. Are you online? Yes. Go back. What are your errors? You go to shop. You make a picture of this. Empty. They want also information about this, so you make a picture from this. Also the error you see here, make a picture, send them, and that is from the infotainment. More, you can make a screenshot of your phone, and then you need to go to your online mobile service. You will see triangles, send them to, and make also a screenshot through mobile or through the desktop about the V-Shop emptiness you have. Because hey, your car is empty and the V-Shop on the website is also empty. Make a screenshot, send them all in one email. Hopefully they accept it. And you wait till they escalate the problem. Give it a few days and then hopefully it will be fixed. Well, it's 1 week later now since I sent my items, my stuff to V-Support, and I just received an email from V-Support saying it's fixed. I can use my shop now, and let's check it out. I don't know if it's working yet, and yeah, let's check it. Same infotainment, etc. Users, currently it's still not synchronized. Still not working, but of course you first need to buy something from the shop, and the shop didn't work till now. Hopefully. What does this say? No, nothing. So shop. Let's see. We wait. Yes, it's working. Can I buy it? Yeah, it's Dutch, so yeah, I can use 3 years. No, I'm gonna turn around just in case it shows me some private details. It asks me private details. So I'm gonna do it. 1 second. I put my information into it, and I can buy it now. And let's see if it works. It should work, of course. Yes. That's one. Shop. Item. Then I'm gonna buy this one. I can buy the other things too, I believe. So, in the meantime, I'm gonna buy everything and see how it works. Well, yesterday I tried to buy every single thing in the shop. It didn't work out because the shop was broken, locked, trying to do things to install the other stuff. The only thing I could buy and install were the VConnect Plus and the VConnect app shops and subscriptions, and I gave it a day rest. And today I saw a notification right here saying I can now install these 3 things. I'm going to do it right now in a few minutes. And the second thing, my profile is now synchronizing, and that's great. And yes, a few minutes later, my apps are installed. Wonderful. And these are now available here. The most important bit, games. Of course, we need the games. And we got a lot of games which we can use. Yippee. Well, to wrap it up, my shop is working finally after contacting Veepeak. They fixed something in the back end, so my car and my account is now connected and I can buy stuff from the shop. And this stuff is now available to buy. That's the issue here. And now after buying the VConnect Plus subscription and VConnect stuff and give it a day rest, I could buy and install the other stuff, other applications, and my app is now fully functioning, my mobile app. I can see my vehicle report, I can see my GPS location when the car is parked, important, and I don't have any red triangles anymore, so I believe everything is now fully functional, how it should have been from the start, but it took a bit longer for me to have it, and because I have the problem, I have the solution for you. This issue is not only for the Volkswagen MEB cars, but it also happens for the Cupra Born and the Skoda Enyaq. These cars can also fall in a limbo, shop limbo, with nothing working. You can't buy stuff, you can't install stuff, so, and then your app is not working. So your solution is also contact your support through the app or through the email address from the app. So carriot support, I'm sorry, there's going to come a lot of people heading your way, but this is currently the only way to fix the shop of the car. All right. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you fixing your shop, or it's going to be fix your shop, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos about ID or other EVs, subscribe here below, and then I will see you again in my next video. Later!